So let's back of the blockchain technology. Why blockchain technology coming now? Why? Okay, or what is the features of blockchain? Why we need to change our finance system? Blockchain technology, which we will not go in details right now. So blockchain technology is giving us more option and treated a lot of problems in our financial system. Okay, which is why exactly we have repeated crisis and instability through our financial system. All if you are reading history about that, you will find a lot of things. Okay, we have instability, and we have yet, for example, yet people. It was an island. They are dealing with rocks, and after that, this financial rocks actually it was rare little bit, so it has characteristics of scarcity. They was dealing with rocks, and after a couple of years, this whole financial system is collapsed because they are not using. This is actually it's an example. Okay, we have a lot of also fiat currency instability. One politics decision can get it up, one politics decision can go it down. Also, we have a problem when we have intermediate third party in between on all transactions, and that costs all the countries a huge money. If you want to transfer from UAE and want to transfer money to USA, for example, okay, you will pay in between fees to get this from here to here. Why? Because it's going through you and going to the central banks, and central banks give it to another central banks, and in between there is a third party, and after that there was the transaction will happen. If you are paying through credit card, it's the same. Any transaction you are paid through credit card, there is a fees. This fees is costing a lot of money, and also if you want to make any transaction abroad, it will take 2-3 days, and sometimes it's not reached, and you are making complaints. And also we will not forget the double spending problem. So this is part of blockchain solved problem. So all of this is like a potential opportunities for blockchain to go in deep and to go inside our financial sector and solve these problems. And of course, we will not forget the whole idea about decentralizing the financial system. No one can control me. No one can control this country. No one can control this area. This is all will not be happened. No. For example, if USA not accepting, it's already closed the SWIFT system in Russia. For some reason or another, it's not our problem. But the idea, no one can control these things. These have pros and cons. We will go through them also after that. Pros of financial of blockchain in finance. It's increased efficiency because we are decreasing the fees. Enhances the security because we will discuss this in details, how the security is really unbreakable in blockchain, and it's very hard, not unbreakable, it's very hard to break it. Improve accessibility, anyone can see it, anyone can know exactly what is happening. And of course, through blockchain, we have a lot of applications after that happen. After Bitcoin, we will take only Bitcoin as an example, but there is a huge industry came after Bitcoin, and it's now very public. Reduce of cost of any transaction. There is no cost now if you are using blockchain, or minimize the cost and the timing of making any transaction. The cons, of course, there was regulatory uncertainty. No one knows what will happen. But currently, I think we are going on track, and President Trump and the USA government is going to put a regulation and the governance this blockchain and how it will work. Scalability issues. Since it's decentralized system, no one can scale it, no one can develop it. And that was a major problem in blockchain or Bitcoin exactly. No one can scale it. It's not like Meta or TikTok or anyone who have a developer dedicated to develop it. It's a DeFi. We cannot access to the system and develop it. Security breaches. Security breaches, since it's something online and application, so anyone, maybe not now, but when we are read after that Satoshi Nakamoto letter, and how exactly, what is the research he's make, what is the idea of Bitcoin and the blockchain, we will find it's breakable, but it's need a huge power to make it, and that actually been erased from couple of months since the quantum computers is really innovated, and now currently it's really updated in their process, which can break and not break. They have a doubt, and scientists have a doubt, that this quant process can break the blockchain, and they can break Bitcoin. That's something imaginary and not happened until now, but we don't know what will happen after that. Integration challenges, because since also there is no developers into the system, but we will see in the future what will happen about this point. Energy consumption. Energy consumption, since it's need a huge power consumption to mine a Bitcoin block, so that's why it's taking a lot of energy consumption to mine only one block, and that was also some of the cons about blockchain. Currently, when we are talking now, we have $2.78 trillion in the market cap of cryptocurrency. 60% of them only Bitcoin, 9% almost for Ethereum, and 30% for other coins, which is greatly increasing each 4 years. And if you see here the cycles going and back and going and back, that's the bull run, and actually it's increasing, and the market increase in 2023 and 2024 hugely, and have a huge impact, since all the investors, the huge investors and the institutions enter to the market. And now governments, now we are talking about USA want to make to capitalize the crypto market, and to be the capital of the crypto market is USA, and all the institutions we are seeing, BlackRock also is taking a lot of Bitcoin and another cryptos in their portfolio, and that will push the market hugely, and will make the crypto market insane in the few months or the few upcoming years. And we will see what will happen if it's really regulated, and the fear from it's not will be regulated. If that gone, all the public will buy this crypto, and this crypto market cap will hugely fly, and we will not see it again in these prices. So the financial sector and potential use cases. We can use it in the payment systems. We can use it in the central banks. We can use it in the secondary market and for trading and these things like we are doing in Forex currently. Venture capitals, that's currently they are doing. Settlement and processing, that's already, I think it's started also. The supply chain and the finance, also there was now some currencies is making this project, and data reporting and digital IDs. That's all potential use cases for the blockchain, and most of this is already now in the market. Some cryptos in the market, if you are searching, is doing this these tasks. Lastly, I want from you to search about the oldest blockchain, oldest running blockchain, which is not Bitcoin. It's not Bitcoin. There is another one in running, way older from Bitcoin, and is still running. Lastly, our reference. Actually, MIT open course I'm actually recommending, since this is the main information I have actually personally, and it's have a great information if you really want to deep inside the blockchain and these systems. Please watch it. And also a brief history about money, Bitcoin peer-to-peer system, you have to see it. This all we will discuss later, what is this exactly, and we will go in depth through the next lecture in money, what is the history of money. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. If you need anything related to this topic, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.